What is up, everybody? Welcome into this new video of TechExpress. My name is Steven, and I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the Upwork if you are a beginner as a freelancer. So this is a great platform that to use as a freelancer if you are starting as a writer, as a designer, as a sales, marketing, development, or almost any kind of freelancer style. So in order to get started, what we want to do is to create an account. So it's really easy. You focus into the very upper side, into the left part, into the right part actually, hit down into sign up. And here what I want to do is to use I am a freelancer and I'm looking for work. Then later on I can apply as a freelancer, or if you wanted to, you can apply as a client and you can hire freelancers for your own custom project. In our case, let's focus into freelancers looking for work. So I want to apply as a freelancer. So this is the part where we wanted to import all of our information. So what I want to do is to continue with my Google account. Okay, I'm going to make this a little bit more faster. So I'm going to hit now into the X mark, and then I'm going to go for continue with Apple, or I can start totally from scratch. So let's go for the start and your last name. I have here my email. This is my email. Then what I wanted to do is to try it out with a new passcode to make this valid, and this part is really important. Since we are starting as a freelancers, whether you wanted to work online as a presential mode, but I can strongly suggest you to focus into the country where you wanted to get started with. In my case, I wanted to go with Mexico because I'm currently working to Mexico. I want to agree to the terms of service and user agreement, and then later on I wanted to hit into create my account. Now with that being said, as almost as any kind of working experience, we needed to verify our email in order to continue. So I'm going to hit now into OK. I'm going to hit into maybe later, and this one is going to be sending us now here into the verification process. I'm going to do this really quick. So now I have verified my account. What is left to do? What I want to do, of course, is to look out for opportunities, right? But first of all, we want to answer a few questions to start building our profile so people can see what we're up to, and then later on we can apply for roles, list of services for clients, and we start to get paid safely from day number one. So this is just an example of how it's going to be looking our profile inside Upwork. Here's your name, here is your field, how many jobs you've taken into the app, and how much money you wanted to earn per hour, and the rating, of course. So I'm going to hit now into get started. So whether you are brand new, you have some experience, or you are an expert, in our case we want to focus into brand new. I hit now here, go into next. Now what is our biggest goals as a freelancer? We wanted to look out for something like to get experience for a full-time job, or to earn my main income. So focus into next, and if you don't have a goal yet, you can choose, of course, this option. I'm going to go with I like to find opportunities, or you like to package up my work for clients to buy, or I like to Upwork to act as a recruiter. So let's focus into the third option and hit into next, create a profile. So this is the part where you want to set up our profile. If you already have a resume, you can import it here using a PDF file, or you can create one using your LinkedIn. And if you don't have anything, you don't have to worry about that. We can go into fill this out manually. So here you wanted to look out what is your professional role. In our case, let's go for content creation, content creator, and then we have to hit into next, add your experience. Now here into add your experience, let's focus into let's go for content creator, for example, and it should be appearing here. The company, let's go for independent. And this is the part where I wanted to use artificial intelligence. Now, you wanted to use a few tools that can be helping you to, let's say, to get featured more into the app. So in my case, I'm using the ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence, of course, of Bing. So I'm going to go with new topic here. Actually, this application is totally for free if you wanted to check it out. The new Bing tool, the artificial intelligence powered copilot for the web. So you need to have a Microsoft Edge. Then later on you can go into the chat version of Microsoft Bing, and then you are actually good to go. Now in my case, I wanted to create a short description of my latest job as a content creator job featuring So as you can see now, I have the generation. I copy this information. If I like that, of course I need to read it before, then later on I can paste that here. So as a content creator, I was responsible, I want to change this part, for creating engaging and visually appealing content for social media platforms, advertising, pop-ups. My role involved generate ideas and bringing them to life to capture attention, the attention of my target audience and promote my brand. Hit now into save. Now, as you can see, here is my relevant work experience. If you wanted to add more, you can hit there. You can hit now into add your education. So you can hit now into add education, and you want to fill this part. I wanted just to skip the part where I wanted to add all of my elements, because I wanted to focus now into, of course, receiving and go for your very first job, applying for your first job. Now here I want to charge, let's say, only $10 per hour or $12 per hour, plus the serving fees. I mean, minus the service fees. You're going to be receiving a total of $9.60. So let's go with add photo. And then here you want to add your own custom photo. I can strongly suggest you to look out for something that can be looking a little bit professional, so then later on you can use that for your resume. You attach your photo there, and then I'm going to hit now into continue. Now that my profile has been created, I can now start to browse some jobs. So what we need to do, of course, is to complete my profile. You need to complete your employment history, your portfolio, your education, some video introduction, which I think is going to be really useful, certifications, skills, other experience, and this is how it's going to be looking your actual profile. I'm going to hit down to close, and then let's go for find work. And here into find work, what you wanted to do is to look out for some keywords that you wanted to get started with. So let's say, for example, that I wanted to edit some videos. I'm going to go for video editor, YouTube, and this one is going to be taking me into filter, YouTube growth expert wanted, high quality video editor needed for YouTube compilation videos. Let's go for Spanish speaking video editor for YouTube. Audio video cover a song of mine, 20 testimony video. So if you like one of those, and here is the job requirements: strong knowledge of storytelling, the project type, the skills and type, and then later on you can see the client recent history, just to gain a little bit more of trusted into this actual client. So I'm gonna go now into apply now if you wanted to apply for this job, and this one should be taking us into the actual applying section of the Upwork, so you can use connections to submit your proposal. So here I have 8 connections and boost your proposal if you wanted to, let's say, to get started with different bits or something like that. Hit into send for 8 connections, and you have been successfully now get started with your very first job. Now, in order to start receiving money, you want to focus into your profile. Here what you wanted to do only is to fill all your taxes, your billing and payment, your tax information, your profile. Everything is going to be really important to increase the 20% of the withheld. So I'm going to go of course with please information ASAP, and hit now into please click here to add your information. Then later on I'm going to be showing you how it's going to be looking a full-time payment job into the Upwork. If you want to check it out, you can leave it down below in the comment section. So I'm going to be showing you just like a walkthrough of how it's going to be looking this full-time profile into Upwork. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much for watching this stuff. Hopefully this was very useful for you guys. And well, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.